Hey guys, Seth with Skynet Drone Systems. Today I'm going to show you guys what it's like to fly the Avata from a pilot's perspective using the DJI Motion Controller 2 and the Integra goggles. So I'll briefly go over the aircraft, the controller, the goggles, and then we'll take a flight. I haven't checked this area out yet. I was on my way back from a job site and I saw it look super cool, so it'll be interesting for us to check it out together. All right, see you in a second. Okay, so for today, guys, we're going to be using the DJI Motion Controller 2, the Avata, and the Integra goggles. Over here on a tripod, I have my iPad on an iOgrapher case, and the landing pad is directly behind me. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is fire up the aircraft. And then we're gonna take off. Now what you guys will see is that crosshair is gonna be where the aircraft is actually going. And the circle is kind of the angle of attack that we're approaching. I always love checking out the way these things look underneath. It's not something you get to see every day. So the Avata is one of my favorite aircraft to fly. It's super durable. Just a joy to use if you're doing real estate, if you're doing just having fun. This is a fantastic aircraft. One thing I like to do, guys, is put it in sport mode when I'm doing stuff like that, just because I don't want any kind of interference with what I'm doing from any kind of sensors. As you can see, we're just using that little crosshair to kind of maneuver the front of the drone, and then the angle of attack is going to be our circle. So much fun to fly, guys. As you can see, the birds are big fans of the Avata. I'm gonna bring it in. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what it's like to pilot the Avata from my perspective. Hopefully it's encouraged you guys to go out and pick one up. You guys won't regret it. It is, like I said, one of the most fun aircraft I've ever used, and by far the most durable. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them down below. We'll get back to you right away. As usual, stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys really soon.